everybody! Today we came to you with a fast and fun tutorial on the toolbar customization. Jumping right to the topic, let's look at our component. Each button on the toolbar has its own icon. But if you find them boring, you can always customize them. In this video, I will show you an example of how to change the icon on the full screen button. The first thing to do is tell the component that we want to customize something before the toolbar is drawn on the page. Let's use the Before Toolbar Created Event Handler and add a customization function. Inside the function, we will simply define a path to the new icon for the desired button, in our case, the Full Screen tab. As you can see, the Full Screen tab has a Flexmonster logo icon, though the Minimize tab has its own icon. Let's also change it, but with a bit of a twist. In the same Customize Toolbar function, insert the same new icon for the Minimize tab. As the icon property is an HTML tag, we can even apply CSV styles to it, so let's rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Now let's check the results. Cool! Now the toolbar looks less dull and more enjoyable with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video!